Keep at least the standard hearth and mantel clearances from any fireplace opening to prevent heat ignition of nearby combustibles. A common thumb rule is that mantels should be a minimum of 12 to 18 inches above the fireplace opening, depending on how far the mantel projects forward, with deeper projections requiring greater clearance to reduce heat transfer to combustible materials. Always start by reading the specific appliance manufacturer instructions, because those will state tested clearances and any required blocking or shielding methods. If the appliance lists a smaller clearance than code, you still must meet code minimums. For wood burning, fireplaces expect larger clearances than for direct vent gas units because radiant heat and creosote can raise surface temperatures. Measure from the fireplace opening to the underside of the mantel and account for projection by adding 1 inch of clearance for roughly every half inch of forward projection beyond the face. Use non-combustible facing materials and returns directly adjacent to the opening to limit heat exposure to trim pieces, and install an insulating barrier or heat shield behind a combustible mantel when manufacturer allowances permit reduced clearances with such shielding. When measuring, do so at the center and ends of the mantel because heat distribution is not uniform, and document measurements and appliance model numbers for future inspections. If you renovate, replace, or install a new mantel, confirm the finished dimensions and projection before fastening so you can adjust height to maintain the required clearance without removing or reworking the fireplace. The 3 most frequent mistakes are assuming all fireplaces share the same clearances, cutting corners on projection calculations, and neglecting the use of non-combustible returns and facing. Believing any gas unit is automatically low heat leads to unsafe installations, so always verify the specific model instructions and code requirements. Underestimating projection is common because people measure only vertical distance, so also measure how far the mantel sticks out and increase clearance accordingly. Ignoring the need for non-combustible returns and facing lets heat reach hidden combustible surfaces, so use proper materials or a rated heat shield as permitted by the appliance instructions. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find guidance specific to projects like fireplace mantels and hearths. We also host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and help each other find the right professionals for the job.